Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Ghulam Dastagir and you are watching Dastagir Tech Studio. Now today we will talk about how to speed up your system or laptop, and just follow me and let's begin. First of all, open Task Manager, press keyboard buttons Control, Shift and Escape at the same time. Now Task Manager is now opened, and the second way to open the Task Manager, click on this this taskbar, and now you can see here Task Manager. Right click on this taskbar and now see here Task Manager, and you can open Task Manager as well from here. And another way is open this window button. Click on this window button and now scroll down. Now you can and after that click on Windows System, and now you can see here Task Manager. Okay, you can open this one. Okay, now Task Manager is now opened, and after that you can see here add in process.exe file creating a problem, so need to remove this one. And it's a .NET framework file. Okay, and after you can see here this consuming 60% CPU okay usage. And after that now you can see the second one issue is search. Okay, this search is also a issue because Windows 10 search creating a problem, so now need to remove this one also. And the other one is okay, just at this time these two issues creating problem. Okay, now first of all delete this add in process.exe file. Now right click on this file, and after that click on file location, open file location. Okay, now okay, now click on this right click on this file, and after that click on delete. Now you can see here you can't delete this file because it's opened here. Okay, it's running in the background. Okay, now you can delete this file using okay, now click on this file and end this task and click on and retry. Okay, now you can see here the file will be removed. Okay, okay, now file has been removed. And now the second issue is okay, this search. Okay, this search is also an issue. Okay, I think this add in process.exe file is not removed here. Okay, now check running or not. I think it's removed. Okay, if it's not removed, okay, if this will not remove, then we have a simple solution for that. Just click on this file and after on click on properties, and this is not this file. I'm deleting another one. Okay, now just okay, experiment on this file. Click on properties, and after you can see here click on security, and after that click on advanced, and now click on change, and now type here your username. Okay, Windows username. Okay, now you can see here this is my Windows username here. Okay, now type here your username. Another solution is just click on object type, this advanced button, and click on find now, and after that click on your user. Okay, and now click on OK, and click on OK. Okay, now and then just click on apply, and okay, click OK, and after that just click on this edit button, and just click on your name, where your name, this one is okay. Click on this and click on add, and here click on advanced, and after that find, and click on this your name, username, Windows username. Click on username and click on OK, and now click on OK. Okay, after that just select your username here and click on this control, allow all the files and click on apply. Take the all the these allow all the okay options and click on OK. And now click on this. Okay, you have all the permissions. Okay, now click on OK, and after that you can delete this file. Okay, click on now delete this. Okay, this has been deleted now. Okay, now you can see here your CPU memory is checked and also memory. The another one is creating a problem, this search button, this search. Okay, now click on this and after click on file location. This is file location. Now delete this file, click on delete. It's not deleting because it's opened here. Okay, now end this task and click on retry. Okay, now this file is also deleted now. Okay, after that just close your task manager and this file and you can continue your work. And okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.